What you're looking at here is the caravan of Hugh and Vicki that was rebuilt as part of the Greatest Aussie Caravan show. This competition, shown over 8 episodes on 7 Plus, pitted teams against each other to restore the best caravan. Hugh and Vicki restored a 1973 Argonaut caravan. Argonaut caravans were hand-built in Shepparton, Victoria. They started production in 1968 and this caravan was built just 5 years later. Vicki and Hugh were no strangers to restoring caravans, having done this rodeo in the past. The finished product is nothing short of amazing, looking every bit the new caravan inside and out, except perhaps for those lovely 70s curves and colours. The Greatest Aussie Caravan show featured caravan sales and was sponsored by us. You can now view this fully restored caravan on our website. Hugh and Vicki are selling privately and all inquiries should be made directly to them through our website. You can also watch all 8 episodes of the Greatest Aussie Caravan show on 7 Plus to see the process of restoring this caravan, with many providers chipping in to supply batteries, electronics, solar systems, flooring, furniture and more. The result is a thoroughly modern caravan sitting in a shell of a 70s retro style. The Greatest Aussie Caravan show took a great idea, pitting teams against each other to restore caravans, and turned it into a fascinating watch. Caravan Sales are proud to have been a part of this inaugural season and we look forward to seeing what they produce next year.